Right, I've just had to put the temperature back up again, and my camera ran out of memory, so this one's been difficult. Oh, what is with solder joints? Sometimes they work straight away. Other times they're difficult. Unlike people who are entirely predictable. Things moving again. So I've left a bit of slack here in this. Right, this is where the world's best tool comes in handy. Let's flatten this out. There we go. That's how we're going to do it. There we go. Done. If I was soldering audio connections, I'd probably take a bit more care to get metal on metal connections and solder around it, but this just has to make a connection. It's not going to be under any physical stress. So that's it. So now take it to this one. Too long again. Take a bit off the end. That's stuck. I didn't want it to stick. Alright. Now that one's done. Just the last earth here, which we'll take to here. Get that off. Do this. Wire that. So let's just try and make this a bit neater. We'll take that packet under there. We'll take this one under here. There we go, that's where that wire's going. There. 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 Now that looks properly wired, so this is now a good time to test a few things, and I'll use my multimeter continuity tester. There we go, continuity tester. I don't like it when it does that. I don't know what that means, but I think I must have a low battery or something. Anyway, that's sort of working. So let's start by saying this should be earth and this should be earth. Okay. That's earth. Right, so let's just get another little DuPont connector here, and just so we've got common earth here between the two. That's the yellow ones in there. Let's get this. I don't know what this is actually proving, but I like to just test there's no dumb things happening. So we now have earth from here to here. It should be also from here to here. Okay, and here to using that panel there. Okay, everything's working. Now, next thing is I will then, at some point, it's too awkward to do this. I'm just testing the switches work, so I will test those switches work. Step 1 complete. I've got grounds all round. It's annoying me. What's going on there? These things seem to have a memory of their own. I don't know why that's annoying me, but it is. So it's now out of the way. The next step is to connect the control terminals 22 through to 32 to these control terminals here, to the switches. I mean, connect these control terminals to the switches. And again, I'm going to need some DuPont connectors, so I should start with the longest ones I've got and go from there. So I think I'll turn the camera off and I'll go through this and salvage or make up the connectors I need, and I'll come back and solder them in.